Alright. Here we go. Yeah, it was okay. Okay, so today we are going to take off this bumper. The reason why is we're gonna bring this to our friend William, and he's gonna start the process of getting it painted correctly in the right way. So, and all right, let's see here. I have to get access to the actual wheels, so I'm gonna move the car forward a little bit. Some kind of leverage. I don't want to go out too far. Maybe we should. I think we're gonna have to. Okay, put the windows down. The thing in Florida is it is literally gonna start raining at any moment. But luckily the car starts, so it shouldn't really be that big of a deal. Okay. Ooh, shiny. So we're gonna move it forward. And looks like we have to move the truck a little bit. Forward. We gotta turn. We gotta get underneath here. Okay. Kind of see. We need to get going here. Might have to start the car. Side of the bumper, so you guys can see a little bit easier. Pretty much this bolt, and there's like one more back there, and that's probably the hardest part. Let's get into those stupid bolts. All right, don't knock the Harbor Freight tools, okay? All right, so. One of these. I need an 11. Okay, alright, let's go to one side and figure out how to get it off. Alright, so this has definitely seen better days. We're gonna redo it. I've already done it once, but I drove the car so much, I don't really care too much for it because it's being used for what it's supposed to be used for. So yeah, you get some of the chips off if you can see it, but there's like chunks missing on it. I mean, I drove the car so much. So I'm a little worried about the FPR bumper, but we'll see. Yeah, turn the wheel, so we'll do it again. Yep. Where's she at? Hey. She helped me put it back together earlier. And guess what happened? I cussed.
Like I said.
Yep. No. What was that? One more holder. Take and boom. All right. Take that. I'm sweaty. Let's try the blue bumper. I mean, it's gonna get painted today, but we'll see. So bumper's off. Okay, little secret sauce. All the people that, you know, say it's a GTT. All right, let's see the blue one. There we go. Ooh. All right, let's try it. Well, can't go without cutting your finger on fiberglass. It's pretty deep. The thing with this bumper is I cannot use this bash bar. So, my friend who I'm trading with, we're gonna have to take it off and kind of figure out how to make it all fit without it and without my bumper sagging. His is literally cut down the middle, so if he doesn't want to give it to me, I'm gonna have to cut it here to fit through this skinny mouth in here. Because you can tell how much bigger that is compared to OEM, but then look how much skinnier this is. So this is a Power Cruise bumper. It's discontinued, and I thought at first it was Australian, but I guess, you know, like all things, everything Japanese is being copied. So, and I hope my intercooler works, but I'm gonna take off that bash bar and kind of see what we need to do. It'll probably sag, but we're gonna try and test fit it. That side already fell off. So we're gonna see what we can do. If it doesn't fit, then we're gonna have to cut the bash bar. So we'll see. Like all Nissans, I mean it's a different size, but we're gonna use some zip ties. It's just to hold it up. That's how it was off of my friend's car. We're gonna give it a shot. All right, already seeing some huge problems, but it doesn't look bad. I definitely have to cut right there. The intercooler. Holy moly. Yeah, it's definitely touching right here. Looks like I'm gonna have to open that up a little bit. Literally right here. So, because it's not even lining up. Even right here, if I hold it up, or have Savannah hold it up, it won't move forward. Like at all. Because of this. But I'm glad the intercooler will fill it up. That looks sick. It'll come back in white. I mean, maybe we should cut it up now, huh? Before we get it painted. Huh. Probably a good idea. Well, next video will be a little bit more together and hopefully get... Oh, I have an oil cooler I'll be installing. So all of that's going to be part of this video that we're making right now. All right. Camera's gonna get dusty, but we've got a lens cover now. Okay, got something to eat. I trimmed it a little bit. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a little bit more down here. This, I want to see the area that's hitting. See? I don't want to trim too much, so it looks like I'm just gonna trim right here, and then maybe it'll flush. And so far, everything else looks great. That's the lip that I love right there. The OEM one does not have that. Nothing against the OEM, but you know. Yeah, let's get it back off, and man, it looks so good. It looks scary. Ooh, wait a minute. I think we got it. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. Man, that looks good. Holy moly. I don't know. Oh, it's coming up on that side. Hold up. Alright, we're good. We need a break in. Okay, so we're gonna even it out a little bit. Looks like, if you could tell, that has less material than that. So we're gonna try and even it out. I won't record the rest of it fitting, but we're gonna see if we can get it bolted up before we send it out. And yeah. Oof. Fiberglass resin. Okay. Hopefully I'll have it fitted after this. Boom! All my sound effects are kind of cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so fitment is 1 million. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, I have to finagle this a little bit because I gotta adjust the holes for my car. I gotta wash it off, but look, I got space. So that means nothing is hitting. My car's Bayside Blue now, Savannah. Look at that. Hey, you can see my blow-up valve right here. Yeah. I want to try the lip, or sorry, the diffuser. Maybe we should. We'll see. If it bolts up, cool. But off the paint, I think it looks great compared to OEM. The intercooler is crazy. So, alrighty. Next up is gonna be the oil cooler whenever it decides to show up. Oh yeah, I am gonna put the GTR badge from my car onto here. Holy. Fitment is awesome. Even the top, I love this lip. That is what I have been waiting for, right there. My car's base blue, huh? Look at that. Holy moly. That's it. Hopefully we'll get the bumper back. I'm sweating, man. In a couple days in white, and throughout those couple days I'm gonna install the oil cooler. I'm gonna install the what else is there? Oh, I'm gonna redo the lip, install the oil cooler, and all this stuff is gonna be all one color in just a couple days. So yeah, look at it again. Holy moly. Bye-bye, bumper. You were good, but man, something about base blue though.